In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a double exposure easily with Canva. We're going to walk through this step by step, so even if you're fairly new to Canva or photo editing, you'll be able to follow along and get a really professional looking result. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can start with a custom size or choose a template that fits where you're planning to use the final image, like an Instagram post or a presentation slide. Having the right canvas size from the start will save you from having to resize and crop too much later on. Next, you'll want to bring in the two key images for the double exposure effect. Typically, one is a portrait or a silhouette, and the other is a scene, like a landscape, cityscape, or texture. Import these images into Canva by uploading them from your device, or by using Canva's built-in photo library if you don't have your own images ready. Try to choose photos with good contrast and clear shapes, so the final effect looks clean and striking. Now, place your main portrait image on the canvas and size it so it's the main focal point. Make sure it's centered or positioned exactly where you want the attention to go. Once it's in place, we'll remove the background to isolate the subject. Click on the image, go to the Edit options, and use Canva's background remover. Give it a moment to process. If needed, use the Erase and Restore tools to refine the edges, especially around hair and shoulders, so the subject looks neat and well cut out. With the background removed, it's time to add your second image, like the landscape or texture. Drag that image onto the canvas and move it behind the portrait. Then resize and reposition it so the most interesting parts of the scene sit inside the outline of your subject. You can experiment with different placements to see what composition looks best. To make the double exposure effect really work, adjust the transparency and blending. Select the top image and play with the transparency slider until both images blend nicely. You can also use filters, brightness, and contrast adjustments to match the tones, so they feel like one cohesive image rather than two separate photos. Finally, add any finishing touches, subtle text, a color overlay, or a vignette to draw the eye to the center. When you're happy with it, export your design in a high-quality format, and your double exposure is ready to share.